Hi there, I'm Neil Howard, Noso's graphic designer. Have you ever wondered just how exactly we make our magical DIY patches to keep your stuff out of the landfill? Well, today's your lucky day. Just follow along, get your booty over to the kitchen for our very first episode of Cooking with Noso! Alright, step one. You're gonna need some amazing ingredients to make some amazing patches. Whatever you can find around your house are great options. For our random patches today, we are going to be using beads, lights, darts, squeaky pigs, glitter mask, stickers, casual extreme. And there we go. We have everything you need. So step two, now that you have all your ingredients, get it into a bowl. Yeah. Alright, step three. Now that you got all your stuff in the bowl, all the proper ingredients, we gotta make sure we mix it up proper. Electric mixer is a great tool for this. You know, there's really no real solution to it. Just, really mix it up, just whatever works, just get it in there. Get losing some stuff here. It's alright, don't worry, we're good. Good to have some seasoning too. Salt and pepper go a long way. Have you ever had bad food without salt and pepper? Didn't think so. You're gonna want a lot of that and, let's just mix it up a little more. Sweet. Alright, mixed. On to step four. Gonna go ahead and grab yourself baking sheet. Make sure you get all the ingredients you had all nice and mixed up. And splay them out so they're all nice and spread evenly. Gonna take that sheet, pop that bad layer in the oven, close the door, boom. Now we're gonna let it bake for 20 to 5 years and you were gonna have some fresh made patches in no time. Alright, step five. Those are some magical patches in there. We really want them to grow up to be the best possible patches ever. They gotta rise to the occasion. So, words of encouragement. Megaphones, awesome solution. Come on, patches, let's go! You got this! Sparkle, 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 Would you believe that? Our patches are done. Let's take a look and see how they came out. Oh, beautiful. Just how Mom made them. And just like that, folks, we created our very own beautiful custom Noso patches. See, our process really ain't that secretive. You just have to use the magic that is all around you in your very own household. We here at Noso are happy to take you on this lovely journey. And remember, here at Noso, no patch, no problem. We got your back.